Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I thought I would do an unboxing and initial impressions of the Kasa Smart LED light strip. These LED light strips are an easy way to add accent lighting to pretty much any room. The ability to control the light strips from your phone makes it even more convenient. This LED light strip is also compatible with Google Home and Alexa. Alright, let's jump right into the unboxing. The packaging of the LED light strip is very similar to some of the other TP-Link Kasa products. As we open it up, we can see the LED light strip is neatly wrapped around a spindle, and it's also in an anti-static bag, which is a great way to keep it protected. There's also a small instructions pamphlet with some basic instructions on how to install and set up the light strips. It also includes some safety guidelines as well as the support contact information. Next, we have a power supply adapter that uses a 2-prong plug, and you can see the power ratings here. Included in the box is a slick-looking on-off controller switch that allows you to turn the LED light strip on and off with the controller versus having to use your phone all the time. You can see here the end that connects to the LED light strip. And finally, the last thing we have in the box is some 3M tapes for mounting the on-off controller switch. Let's open up the LED light strips. First thing I noticed is the warning on the spindle to not use the LED light strip while it is still rolled up. On the back of the entire light strip, we have the 3M tape, which gives you the ability to mount the LED strips on various surfaces. On the front, we can see all the individual LED light nodes as well as the areas where to cut. It's nicely labeled. After unraveling the entire roll, I plugged in the LED light strip to the on-off controller switch by lining up the pins. I then plugged in the power adapter to the switch and then plugged in the power. After plugging in the power, the LED light strip started blinking in an orange and green light sequence, kind of like how the other smart Kasa products blink when not connected to Wi-Fi. So next, I'm going to show you how the app setup screens look. If you don't have the Kasa app already installed, you'll need to download it from the applicable app store for your phone and create an account. I already have the Kasa app installed because I'm using many of their products, some of which I have videos of, and I'll leave the links to those videos in the description below. So open up the Kasa app and then click the little plus icon in the upper right corner to add the new device. Then select device. In the next screen, select Smart Lights. Here, I'll select the specific product, which is the KL400 Smart Light Strip. The next screen will just show you how to connect all the parts, so just click Next if you already connected everything. It will then ask for you to check the light strip to make sure it is blinking orange and green. So after confirmation, just click Next. In the next screen, it will instruct you to connect to the light strip's Wi-Fi network, which is a similar process to all of the other Kasa products. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and you should see the light strip's Wi-Fi network listed. Connect to the light strip's Wi-Fi network like I'm doing here. Once connected, go back to the Kasa app and it will begin the process of connecting to the LED light strip. Once connected, it will then allow you to set up the light strip to use your home Wi-Fi network. Pick the Wi-Fi network you want, enter the password, and click Join. The LED light strip will then join your home Wi-Fi network, and then you'll be able to give the light strip a name as well as choosing an icon for it. Set the location for the light strip. In this example, I'll just create a custom location called Indoor. At this point, you can mount the LED light strip to your desired area. The app gives you a nice visual guide of what the LED light strip is capable of doing, so I'll actually step through this guide so that you can see it as well. The first screen is just informational about the Kasa app features. The second screen of this guide explains the brightness control and color selector. The third screen explains the lighting effects. The fourth screen explains one-tap presets. The fifth screen is good information to know about how the on-off controller switch works. Coming out of the guide and into my home screen, the LED light strip showed up at the top. You can see all the other Kasa devices I use. They're pretty much taking my money at this point. I'll click into the LED light strip selection at the top and show you how it looks while controlling the lights through the app. First, the basics, power on and power off. It is a nice smooth on and off, which I really like. Next, you can see how it looks adjusting the brightness through the app. Again, very smooth and responsive. Now I'll adjust the colors using the color palette in the app. It's actually pretty cool, and I don't think my camera is doing any justice to show you how precise the color emitted from the LEDs are. I'm definitely impressed. So now let's go into effects. At the top, you'll see a solid color palette. This just changes the colors to the solid colors listed. Pretty simple and straightforward. You'll also see predefined effects down here. I'll click through each of these so that you can see what the effects do. You can also create a new effect by selecting any of the predefined effects and adjusting the values of those effects, like the color and animation speed. You can then name the customized effect to anything you want. The schedule feature is similar to the other Kasa devices in that you can select a time to turn on or turn off the lights. The times can be customized, or you can have it occur at sunrise or sunset based off of your location. You can then repeat the schedule on a daily basis or whatever you desire. The usage page shows how much power consumption the light strips use. This is especially useful if you want to conserve energy and be mindful of how much these light strips use. So that about covers the unboxing and configuration of the LED light strips. As far as my initial impressions go, I'm definitely amazed at how far this technology has come. The light strips have the ability to emit something as dim as a candle all the way up to a bright enough light to light up a room if set up the right way. And the fact that it is all controllable through an app on your phone makes it an awesome addition to a smart device connected home. I've seen people use these LED light strips to create some stunning accent lighting around their homes, so I'm excited to put these light strips to good use. As far as any negative feedback about these light strips go, I would say for sure that having a black power strip and a white controller doesn't seem to make sense. It definitely stands out, and I think Kasa should have made them both white or both black to have a clean look. The other negative feedback is that when you initially unravel the LED light strips from the spindle, the light strip tends to stay in that circular shape, and this can be a real pain when you're trying to install it on a flat surface. It may be a good idea to leave the light strips unraveled for a day or two to help them straighten out. So in conclusion, I have very positive impressions of this LED light strip, and I hope this video helps you guys out. Do let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. I plan on installing this in my kitchen to get some better lighting underneath the cabinets, and hopefully I'll make a video of that in the near future, so check back soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.